In earlier videos, I explained you quadratic equation and how to factorize and how to find the roots of quadratic equation. There is one more method, that is completing the square. So now we will find roots by completing the square. So for this method, we will take coefficient of x square and we will divide whole equation by coefficient of x square. Okay, so you have to write here by dividing equation from coefficient of x square. So equation will become x square minus 7x upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 equals to 0. Okay, this was first step. Now next step is transposing constant term to right side. Okay, we will transpose this term to right side. So x square minus 7x upon 2 equals to minus 3 upon 2. It is second step. First, divide whole equation by coefficient of x square, then transpose constant term to right side. Now third step. Third step is adding half of the square of x term. Half of the square of x term both side. Like this. Okay, adding 7 upon 2, half is 7 upon 4 square. Adding half of the square both side. Okay, so this equation is becoming, see, look here, it is becoming, if I multiply 2 here and here, 2 and 2. Okay, if I multiply this term here, so it will become an identity of x minus 7 upon 4 whole square. If you want to write this step here, you write, otherwise you can leave it. So it is becoming like this, equals to minus 3 upon 2 plus 7 is 49 upon 16. Okay, now solve this equation. So x minus 7 upon 4 whole square equals to 25 upon 16. Okay. Now I can write 25 upon 16 as 5 upon 4 whole square. So x minus 7 upon 4 whole square equals to 5 upon 4 whole square. Okay, these two terms will be cancelled. So x minus 7 upon 4 equals to plus minus 5 upon 4. Okay, now to find the value of x equals to 5 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4 and x equals to minus 5 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4. Now solve it. So it will become 12 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. So our answer is 3 and 1 by 2. So our zeros are Our zeros are 3 and 1 by 2. Okay. So first thing, now divide the equation by coefficient of x square. Now next, transpose constant term to right side. Then half of the square, add half of the square of middle term, that is x, both side. Then you solve it. Then you will find its root. Now, next example is root 2x square minus 3x minus 2 root 2 equals to 0, and we have to find out roots by completing the square. Okay. So, first we will divide whole equation with coefficient of x square. Transpose the constant term. Okay. Now, next step is by adding half of the square. Half of the square means 3 to root 2. Half of the square of middle term both side. 2 plus 3 to root 2 whole square. Okay. So if I multiply this and this here, it will become x minus 3 to root 2 whole square. This identity. Okay. And 2 plus 9 upon 2 to the 4 to the 8, 16 plus 9. X minus 3 to root 2 whole square. So it is becoming x minus 3 to root 2 whole square equals to 16 plus 9, 25 upon 8. So 25 upon 8 can be written as 2 root 2 whole square. X minus 3 upon 2 root 2 whole square equals to 5 upon 2 root 2 whole square. Okay. Now cancel these two terms. So x minus 3 to root 2 equals to plus minus 5 upon 2 root 2. So to find zeros, x equals to 5 upon 2 root 2 plus 3 upon 2 root 2 and minus 5 upon 2 root 2 plus 3 upon 2 root 2. So x equals to 8 upon 2 root 2 and minus 2 upon 2 root 2. So answer is, if you want to solve it, you solve it. 4 upon x equals to 4 upon root 2. Rationalize denominator. So it will become 4 root 2 upon 2. So answer is 2 root 2. Okay. Here minus 1 upon root 2. So it will become root 2 upon 2. Okay. I am rationalizing. In 10th class, no need to rationalize it. Okay. means no need to explain rationalization. Okay.